Borrisey bike. Found it in Ashburton Park. Unfortunately the saddle is a bit wibbly wobbly because the quick release is a bit dodge. I'm in Ashburton Park. And yes, it's wobbling the camera and me. First time I've been on a bicycle for fuck knows how many months because of my physical and mental. But today haven't, and we're off again. I haven't been feeling too bad today. See if I can get to a particular playground. Need to stop shaking this thing around. Woodside Fire Station. And no doubt I'll report this Boris bike found later. Won't be the first time I found one of these. Just a shame the saddle's so low. Oh dear, oh dear. Very hard to control. One hand. Oh look, it's me. It's my ugly mug. Mesh Sado Dan. I think one of the local graffiti writers around here, Sado PS TBA. I've heard that his missus died. His girlfriend or wife. So there's been a lot of graffiti reaches up saying "Rip Danielle," which is very sad. I think in the past I did meet Sado the once, maybe twice, I think just the once. I think it was with Plug actually. But we're on the way down the path now, just past under the Acer-Saccharinums where I'll get my seeds. I'll grow my Acer-Saccharinum trees. Switch it round again, at least I'm not shaking about now. This is Stroud Estate, and my mother's side, father's side of the family lived on this estate for many years. Over there. Whoa! Is it Delamere Crescent? 21 Delamere Crescent, 33. Oh dear, I forget all the numbers now. Aunt Doreen, and ended with Stuart. Oh, so you've joined me on a bicycle today. My first ride for a long time. And it was a Borrisey bike that I found. Right, we're at the playground. And I'm going to switch to ingress now. I don't know whether jerry can's been here to smash it, but there was some fungus anyway. Not been too bad today. Switch it round a bit, and there it is, the Borrisey bike, 42156. They nick them from London and then they bring them down on the train. South Nord is terrible for it, and then I end up reporting them, but at least it will get me home. Right, yeah, my mum passed away on the 16th this month, April, and her funeral's on May the 5th. So, yeah, sad days, I'm afraid. It'll be Elmer's End crematorium, 11 o'clock in the morning. Well, I'll best end it here. We've had bright sunlight for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks, and this is the first day we've had rain. Drearism and rain.
Where'd you get them from?
Huh?
Where'd you get them from?
Get them?
Yeah, the bags.
I'll be reporting it, so they take it back. It was dumped.
Oh, is it? So you've been rounding it?
Yeah, well, no, they pick them up from London.
Oh, bring them around here?
And then they flipping put them on the train.
Oh, would you like us to bring it back for you?
Nah, I've got a fuckload of bikes.
You used to go to Shirley and them.
It's the first time I've been on a bicycle for months.
Oh, yeah.
I ain't just got round to it. I've been well enough. This is the first time I've done it in months.
Have a good night.
Yeah. Unbelievable, innit? Unbelievable.